Here I believe is an abandoned railroad crossing in Cumberland, Kentucky. It was actually in Grace is not too far from this crossing, and there rather over and tracks are also all over. Now crossing signals are gone, and also the planned ways at this crossing are filled in. So I don't think train want to make it past here. It might be has been took it off. It's WR's Ancient Lights and Mechanical Bell, where the planned ways have actually been filled in. That is what they're like over here from an for that's fault. Maybe CSX train will make it past that. And it's rather rusty except for the cars drive over. So this is abandoned railroad crossing right here. This is an abandoned railroad bridge right there. And there's to be abandoned relay case right here, which is now is no longer used. But that's really sad because the abandoned signals right here was stood. That's when the WR's Mechanical Bell and Ancient Light right here, as you can see. But I'm going to go ahead and wait for a break in the traffic. See right there, that's when the signal stood right here. And not going to cross the street. And over here, we have a railroad bridge with some abandoned relay case. I believe it's really old now, and now it's no longer used. Right there's a railroad bridge, as you can see right here. Actually, it was gone now. I've got to remember. That look a street view again, as you can see. So yeah, here we have an abandoned railroad crossing in Cumberland, Kentucky. I think it is
Cumberland Avenue.
In Cumberland Avenue and Cumberland Street, and also Kentucky 160 in Cumberland, Kentucky. Over and out.